Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome back. So it's the start of a brand new week. Today is Monday, December 9th of 2019, and here are our morning announcements for today. For our December birthdays to announce, so today we do have a birthday to celebrate, so Sophia Prather, happy birthday to you. Hope you have a great day today. Our lunch choices for today is mashed potato bowl, barbecue rib sandwich, and Asian chicken salad. And teachers, just to let you know, Mrs. Dawson will be covering for Mrs. Fuller in the office today. So if you have any technology needs, just make sure you just email Mrs. Dawson, and she probably will get to them later on this week. For our pause expectations, we do have some students here from first grade in Mr. Z's class. Let's go to review those with you.
Alright, boys and girls, it's time for our pause, and we have first grade students from Mr. Z's class to go through that today.
Keep your hands and your feet to yourself. What we say? No jumping off of high things. Leave the wood chips on the ground.
Those are good examples. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate that. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. And for right now, please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Alright, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, and justice for all.
Thank you guys very much, and everyone have a great day today. Have a wonderful start of your week, and I will see you out and about in a little bit. Have a wonderful day.